coronavirus cases in India rose above 12,000 today after 941 new cases were reported in the past 24 hours. The death toll went beyond 400 after 37 new deaths were reported in the past 24 hours, according to the latest data released by the Health Ministry. While Delhi has reported over 1,500 coronavirus cases, while cases in Maharashtra have almost reached the 3,000 mark. The Home Ministry on Thursday issued an advisory stating that the video conferencing app Zoom, which government officials have been barred from using, is not safe for use by private individuals. The government's missive came after the National Cybersecurity Agency, Computer Emergency Response Team of India, flagged the cyber vulnerability of the popular app, currently being used by tens of thousands of professionals working from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. The World Health Organization's European office said Thursday that despite some optimistic signs in some of the countries worst hit by the new coronavirus, the number of cases was rising and approaching 1 million in the continent alone. WHO Regional Director told a news conference, noting that about half of the worldwide confirmed cases were in Europe and it remains in the eye of the storm. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, in a video address, said that the lockdown cannot defeat the virus, it only presses the pause button. The virus can surge post-lockdown. He called for aggressive and strategic testing. He said India had reached an emergency situation and everyone must unite and fight against this problem. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi amid the extended lockdown of the COVID-19 pandemic and concerns about the state of the economy. Prime Minister's Office and Finance Ministry have been holding regular meetings to review the situation in the backdrop of several sectors not running in their full capacity. The centre last month announced a financial package for those hardest hit by the pandemic. The Ministry of Civil Aviation had summoned all private airline CEOs yesterday regarding advance ticket booking during the lockdown period and the refund policy. All CEOs had attended the meeting with the Ministry of Civil Aviation senior officers through virtual platform. Government is forming guidelines to facilitate air travellers with their booking issues and refund discrepancies so far. Government to come out with these guidelines very soon.